Oh, we did around the country. We did 23 states last year in 6.5 months, about 13,000 miles.
13,000 miles. Yeah.
And this year we're going to go not quite as many states. We are going to stay longer in fewer places. So our first destination is Pensacola, Florida, right on the beach, and literally step out and put our toes in the sand. And then we'll work our way up to the Adirondacks in New York and be in the mountains. And so we've just taken it from the desert to the mountains to the beaches. It's fantastic.
And the future part of
and
it,
lakes.
And the future part of it would be is that we're going to trade in for the Solitude 375 this year.
Right.
And then we're going to start full timing April 15th of this year.
Right. So the reason for the change is not that we don't love this, it's just that for a full-time lifestyle, a little more room, a little homier, a little more space.
And we got 3 dogs.
And we have 3 dogs. So so this has been great, but we just want a little more space for the full-time life. We are
yes, we
absolutely
are.
big fans of Grand Design.
This is our second rally. And so we love the rallies. That's the best thing they ever could do, and we learn a lot from the rallies.
Right, and meeting other owners of other units. And I think the thing that's really fascinating and a real good testimony to Grand Design is everybody loves their units. And so it's just real exciting to compare notes. You know, everybody has their things that are special, the one thing that they really, really want. And so it's just nice that there's something for everybody, right? We have what we love, and we have our eyes on something else for the future, and it's pretty cool. And it's just good quality. I just feel good with it. In our last unit that we had that was not a Grand Design, you could just tell it's just cheap materials, cheap quality, and I just feel like this is more of a home for us. And you know, I don't have a shabby home. I don't want a shabby RV.
And so far with Grand Design, they've been great to us. I mean, we never had a problem with the 337 here.
Yeah.
So it's been great for us, no complaints. But like she said, the Solitude is going to be great for us for a long time. So.
And just meeting the people, just having the events. We went to the factory in Indiana last summer, and being able to see how they're manufactured was really interesting. The fact that, you know, Grand Design lets us see behind the scenes. And just meeting the people, just the customer service, the Facebook groups, the way people help each other, share information, and even Grand Design employees participate in those things as well. I find that really smart and really interesting and helpful.